Welcome back to FinExPros. Do you want to know which version of Excel you have on your Windows computer? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Excel on your Windows computer. Once Excel is open, go to the top left corner of the Excel window and find the File tab. Click on the File tab to reveal a menu. In the menu, look for the Account option. Click Account to access version information. A new window shows details about your Excel software. As you can see, I am using Microsoft Excel 365, which is included in the Microsoft 365 subscription. You can also click on the About Excel icon to access additional information about Excel support, product ID, copyright details, and other important details, including whether you're using the 32-bit or 64-bit version. Microsoft Excel 365 is a subscription-based service offered by Microsoft, and is part of the larger suite of applications known as Microsoft 365. With this subscription, you not only get the latest version of Excel, but also a whole range of other powerful productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. By finding your version, you ensure compatibility and troubleshoot effectively. If you have questions, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Windows and Excel tutorials.